So, a very good evening to Mrs. Vanashri Gogoi, and welcome to Ground Speak series, an initiative of Asian Confluence, wherein we talk about the Northeast region and the people working at the grassroots level on various fields and in various sectors of the region. And we are delighted and we appreciate that being the city president of Guwahati City of Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, you have given us your time for this very short and brief interview that we are going to take. So, without wasting any time, ma'am, if you can tell us about what is the work of WICCI and what has been its impact, especially in Guwahati, in Assam. If you can give us a very brief introduction into what is WICCI and what is its work and what has it done in the city.
Good evening, Biprajit. It is my pleasure that you have called me today for this interview. Well, Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, that is WICCI, is a premier national business chamber for women in India and visiting global impact for women entrepreneurs, businessmen, and professionals from all walks of life. It is supported by the massive global network of All Ladies League, that is all Women Economic Forum, that is WEF, and Sea Economy, with more than 200,000 members and supporters worldwide, including 50,000 in India. WICCI drives of fundamental changes in government policies, laws, incentives, and entrepreneurial ecosystems with a view to robustly encourage and empower women in business, industry, and commerce across all sectors and fields. WICCI and its manifold councils at international, national, regional, state, sectoral, and city levels are presently close to 200 sectors from time to time. Then this councils what they do the steps and recommends to help mitigate more challenges, facilitate our ease of doing business and empower women-owned business to become more competitive. WICCI has a massive outlay of more than 7,000 voluntary office bearers across India and internationally. As presidents, vice presidents, and council members, each office bearer that represents thousands of women, a great responsibility and a rare opportunity, you can say. WICCI aims to bring about fundamental changes in government policies, mainly laws and incentives, with a view to robustly encourage and empower women business, industry, and commerce across all sectors and fields.
Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction. And carrying forward from there, as Wiki stands for the women and providing them entrepreneurial opportunities and assisting them with other resources and, guiding them into the world of commerce and industry. Uh, Being the city president, how do you evaluate the situation of women entrepreneurs in Assam? And if you can give us a brief idea about the Northeast region as a whole.
Actually, the official launch of the Guwahati City Council was held on 15 December 2020 during the virtually, that too due to COVID-19 pandemic. So the key role and responsibility of this prestigious post that I'm holding is to constitute and build a robust team comprising a president, then a vice president, and women as council members. Members should be related, means members are related to this region, especially as the council, and largely from business and industry. Youth and youth and interns are also welcome here. Then being a city president for as a Guwahati City Council, the Women Entrepreneur Assam needs a forum like WICCI and Women Economic Forum to provide them support to across the both national and global markets. WICCI provides, you can say, a comprehensive commerce platform free from cost of entrepreneurs in both services and retail industry to all the entrepreneurs. This platform is C Economy, that is a sister concern. In this particular powerful position, not only do I energize and empower women, but I give a moral support to the entrepreneurs also.
That's wonderful to know, ma'am. Again, talking about the current phase that we have passed during the pandemic and the COVID-19 lockdown. So, in terms of Wiki and in terms of the post you're holding, what can be a general evaluation and an outlook, if I say, towards commerce and recovery of the entire entrepreneurial sector, especially for the women entrepreneurs? Has Wiki thought about any action plan, or is there any guidelines or suggestions that Wiki has issued for women entrepreneurs to um, initiate
I mean,
recovery plans?
you want to say regarding the post-pandemic outlook.
Yes, the post-pandemic.
Is the post-pandemic situation, we at Wiki are trying our best to register our sisters from various sectors under one umbrella and encourage these entrepreneurs to sell through our e-commerce platform and handle their entrepreneurships and provide them the free this selling of goods and products.
That is wonderful to know, ma'am. And lastly, before we end this very quick and very short introduction into Wiki, what would be your one statement if I ask as to how the women entrepreneurs are faring in Assam? As in, have they been able to set up their activities, their businesses properly? How has Wiki been involved in helping women to start businesses or start their entrepreneurial journey? If you can give us an insight into that.
Can you repeat the question?
So, how has Wiki basically helped women entrepreneurs in Assam start their business or give them knowledge about how to be a proper entrepreneur, provide them with resources?
Actually, in Assam, what we are doing, our sector just started in the month of December, that is 2020.
All
So
right.
what we are doing in terms of support for women entrepreneurs starting or restarting their entrepreneurship journey, Wiki is providing them a platform. I told you, as a global access and structural services under different vertical. There is about 120 vertical to be precise. It's provide a branding for all entrepreneurs.
All right, understood. So, of course, we can say that Wiki, since as you say, has started very recently, will the Guwahati City Council will start to have a wonderful impact, and Asian Confluence would love to be a part of it. And thank you so much, ma'am, for this short and very brief interview. And we look forward to having more such fruitful discussions once Wiki Guwahati City Council has made more achievements as it has pan India and globally. Again, I, on behalf of Team Asian Conference, thank you so much for being a part of Groundspeak series, and we look forward to future collaborations as such.
Thank you. My pleasure.